Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a graphical presentations of the mosque. That's why we're using the bold lines here. And let's see, I'm going to use marker in this case. So let's see, we have a black marker. The first outline, this is the base. So this marker has a very soft lines. We need a bold lines with marker. Let's take other one. All right. So for the graphical presentations, we draw the few details and draw other parts. So there's the bigger line. Now a single line here. There's one. Doing the single line for the next one. There's two. And another one here. There's three. All right. For the main body part of the mosque, we can draw a rectangle shape on top here. Draw another line here in the bottom. Let's connect the lines like this. Also like this. So few lines you can see here. This is the basic lines. Alright, so this is the small blocks here. On top of it, let's more smaller box like that one. So each segment has two boxes. Alright, now we are going to draw a dome. So this point, let's connect dome here, and another dome we're going to draw here. For the decorations of domes, let's draw a curved line in the middle. And the curved line in between those two lines, also this side. So two more lines in between those lines, and the dome is getting interesting. So it's all about the graphical presentations. You can see here another dome I'm going to draw. A square block, an elliptical shape, and the square block, and a round, then something like a water drop on top. So the basic shape is done. On the other side, I'm going to draw a straight line for the minaret. So okay, These are the separate sections for each repetitions of the prototype designs. Usually most of the religious structures have these types of sections. Okay, we're going to draw a smaller dome here too. Let's connect the outlines. Another smaller one. Connect. Also make some water drops like the previous one on top. In between those panels, let's draw another straight line up to here. Also in the middle of this point. Another one in this point. This is the connections. So it's a strong bold outlines for the drawings of the mosque. Alright, you can see the whole presentations. Now let's connect these two here also in the bottom for the convenience of the base. So this is a basic outline. If we put color here, now this is going to be interesting. Let's use the crayon. Okay, for the dome and for this panel, let's put red here. So the red color, you can see, looks nice. Another red I'm going to put on top. All right. Also these segments here, we're going to put red. Each drawing looks good as long as you're putting colors nicely. Colorful stuff's always eye-catching. This is the orange color I'm putting here right now. For the dome. Also we are going to put the green color for this dome here. Alright, you can see the colors getting nice. Okay. the blue colors we're going to put for the whole minutes. Okay. All right. And we're going to put yellow on top just to provide the golden effects. All right, so you can see the drawing looks nice. This is the nice presentation. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.